Here we go. We're just gonna... Let's get some music playing in here. Alright, we back. How is it going? I'm gonna screen share studio here and Discord. There we go. So, for semifinals, I do have a few ideas of what I want to do. Yes, yesterday I worked on qualifiers. If you don't know, I changed up quintuple steps, added these red lines here to tell the times and stuff. The TIE fighter's been changed. The prism tilt got buffed. Added broken blades. Bar hop has been changed a little bit. And buffed warp wall, which is basically what I wanted to do. And so now, those are all the qualifiers type of stuff that I wanted to put into. That's what we did yesterday. So now, I want to work on updating everything else. So we're going to update. So basically, you're going to have a buffed. The semifinals is going to be buffed. So, I'm going to keep quintuple steps the same. I'm going to keep quintuple steps the same. I'm going to add 2 TIE fighters here. Prism tilt might use a new one. Be a new obstacle there. So, basically, this is not really going to be... Okay. I honestly think quintuple steps... Let's get started on updating semifinals here. Semifinals is going to be this entire course that you're seeing right now. I'm going to add a setting in the practice mode, so where it can show either the semifinals or the qualifiers. Now, or qualifiers version, which will be for the buttons that do have different obstacles for them. So, yeah, TIE Fighter. So, let's get started. Here with buffing, because semifinals I do want to do differently. Quintuple steps are going to stay the same. I'm not planning on changing them. I think they're fine as they are. It's TIE Fighter that I want to change. Now, hello Gabe. I'm surprised you're not on the stage. But so what I gave is, I don't remember who gave me this idea last stream, but they wanted to make 2 TIE fighters. One of our devs leaked the finale stage when I told him not to. When? When did he? When did he and who? Plus, why would they leak it now? Like, why would they leak it now? Which is a good question. As long as it's not, like, gone out so far, then I don't care. Plus, not many people are... Nobody's really paying attention to the button, really, right now. Well, I mean, I can't blame them. Because I've been very inactive on the game, and now I'm finally back to it, so... I mean, as long as the... It's gone into the Ninja Nerd servers for their comp. Can you send me a link to that server right now? And I'll go in there and talk about it. But we'll deal with that later. I'm thinking I do want to change TIE Fighter a bit. You already left? Damn. But as long as it's not, like, spread everywhere, like in the RNW community Discord server, then yeah, no. I'm not gonna worry that much. Then again, it's probably gonna look very different compared to what we're gonna have. So, I want TIE Fighter... Actually, wait. I think it's a good idea to keep this current TIE Fighter we have. I'm just gonna duplicate it. And cut it. Put it in surface storage for now. Paste. There. We're gonna work with this TIE Fighter. No, I just haven't checked voice messages, Gabe. I've just been busy. I immediately went to sleep after yesterday. Plus, I've been busy all day. I'll skip the rest of the buttons on the weekends. Okay. Okay, thank you. I might work on this finale game after this stream. I just want to work on... What is this? Okay. Which trust is that? Okay, it's this one. Do I have all the trusts? Yes. Okay. Alright, so now, move this forward. Like this. And then, I'm just gonna take these. Crap. Okay. I'm not really gonna change much to TIE Fighter in semifinals. I'm just gonna update, like... So I'm just gonna move this to where there's a jump in the middle. So instead of one TIE Fighter, there's two TIE Fighters. However, I do need to buff this jump. So I'm just gonna grab each and every one of these parts and just move it down. I think right here is good. And then we're just gonna take these, this, scale it back. There. 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 Hello. So everyone's run's gonna be cut or re-edited again. I'll keep the original recordings, but I will. But I won't be really using them for anything except for like, bottom memories or something like that. But I will keep them, just not using them. Alright, and then I'm gonna duplicate this and put this here. Let me check. Chat. Okay, I have to make sure my Discord chat's open. Anyways. So we have the tie. We duplicate the tie. We move it down. Okay, so we're just gonna rename this tie 1. Or no, this is gonna be tie 2. Tie 2. This one's gonna be tie 1. And then we're just gonna get rid of tie 2's regen. Right there. take, put these, group these two together, and take the regen out. Ties. That should work just fine. So if I play, should regen both. Yes, okay. And then, okay, that's too hard. Let's make this faster. Let's go 50. 50. 25. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if this is easier. Oh crap, come on. Come on, don't be bad at the game. Don't be bad at the game. Okay, I might need to nerf it. I think it's just best we nerf that. Let's nerf it. We could just do this. Select everything. In there. Let's move it back by... Are you playing music? I have it on YouTube. Yeah, I think... How did this not move? Try 2. How did the button logo not move? Come on. A lot of things can move. Jesus. Let's fix it. So we're just gonna select everything. Just gotta select everything. But it didn't select. Do I have everything? Everything except the button logo. Let's grab it. Okay, I think I got it. Still? Oh, I can't get the button logos. Come on. What am I missing? Okay, I think those unselected parts of the button logos. Yes, good. And then we can nerf it. I think we just do that. And then we just move these by 2. So... Where is it? Okay, that's the tie. And then we need to grab these parts. Okay, there's 1. And we need to move this back by 3. What do you need help with? What do you need help with, Gabe? Yeah, I'm planning on updating those soon myself. And then once I'm done with these, I'm just gonna look at these. I'll change them. You know what? Let's get rid of all these trusses and then we just select one of the structures. Come on. It's so hard to select these when they're grouped. I'm just gonna move these. And then 1. And then we're just gonna delete those 2. 1. Or you know what? I can just do this. Now let's see if that's better. Needs to be unions. Can you turn them into unions? I can try. Once I'm done with the stream here. Okay. This is a little awkward. This might be a little too hard. Maybe I just need to raise it up a little bit. You know what? I think it's fine as it is. I don't like it. I don't like how it looks right now. I don't think it looks good. I honestly think we should keep the TIE Fighter as it is. I don't think it looks good. I think the TIE Fighter's fine. Hold on, what are these? I just realized this. I think I might have made the tower in this game. Boom. What are these? Oh, this is Botton 1s. I remember, this game used to be the Botton 1 testing area. This is when I made the Botton 1 tower. This is the game where I made Botton 1. This tower. That's why those are in there. Okay. Okay, that's all I wanted to know. That's cool. I'll keep those in there. Okay. Prism tilt. I kind of want to replace this one. But with what? In the first... Are you talking about bottom 1 tower? If bottom 1 tower, then yes, I can see that. I can say that it was BS. Especially the loser's bracket tower. I don't know. What I would replace it with. What? The tower? Yeah, the tower is, I think, annoying. Honestly, I think the tower at the qualifiers is good enough. I honestly should just leave it alone. I think the qualifiers, is good enough as it is. It is for right now. I mean, the only thing I would probably change for semifinals is upgrading this from 2.5 motor to 3. 2.5 to 3 on the motor, but other than that, I think qualifiers is fine the way it is. Because I don't think I really need to buff it. I think it's fine, like the way it is. If I buff it, then it probably would be, like, turn the whole thing into garbage, so. But, I do want to add this. That I should have added into qualifiers, but I didn't, because I'm a dumbass, so. Let me see. I'm gonna go into a fun little game called Botton Boot Camp. On Stadia, yeah? This is the only change I'll probably make with semifinals. Oh yeah, I was making a thumbnail. You look like an old man. I'm 17. I'm almost 18. I was making the K-Fly, the thumbnail for episode 3, I think? Or 2. No, it's 2. No. It's, the second episode of Boot Camp. Is when I made that thumbnail. The K-Fly. Cool. But anyways, I'm taking this idea. By the way, the first thing that I'm gonna do in boot camp work is gonna be getting rid of this warp wall and making a brand new one, which is the first thing I'm gonna be doing, because that warp wall is way too hard. But now, boom! Welcome to Botton Qualifiers. This is the only change I'll probably be making to this. Yep. Which is a time. Unless y'all want me to add it to qualifiers, which I can do that. But this is probably the only change I'm probably going to make, because I think the qualifiers are fine. I could just add a buff to... Like, it should work fine. Let me see. I'll test it. And then you don't get up, we have to do it again. And I'll probably add a button to enable that mode if you want to on the qualifiers course itself. But we'll get to that. Now, let's talk about... We need to talk about this. We need to talk about semifinals here. First off, old me. Why did I not put supports here? Why did I not put supports there? Obviously, I'm changing Cargo Climb too. But let me look at Salmon Ladder. How it's... I think people like Salmon Ladder. I think Salmon Ladder is going to stay. It's just going to be changed a little bit decoration-wise. Yeah, Salmon Ladder's liked. I'm just going to move it down. I'm just gonna change the decoration of it a bit and also move it closer because it feels like it's way too close. So, in order to do this, I'm just gonna flat out grab everything here. Except for the pools, because the pools can stay. The pools can stay. I'm just moving everything closer. And lower it down. So, like, right there. Yeah, I think that's much better. What? There's nothing on my PC, dude. Okay, the reset and the bar tech. Let's go... Alright, the TP... The hub? Damn it, how did you find out? Okay. I'm just kidding. Alright, and then I kind of like the idea of jumping for the bar, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. Like that. So yeah, I think that's much more closer and it's much more convenient, so let's just go ahead. Ain't no way I'm talking about convenience here. But, like, yeah. Yeah, I think that's much better. I mean, I'm turning 18 in September. There. Yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do with Salmon Ladder, except I pointed this out in my stream. We'll go looking at these rungs. I am taking these on the side. Alright, actually, I gotta use this one. Grab these. Making them non-collidable. No more bar issues. No more bar issues. Yeah, bars, the Salmon Ladder's fine. I just gotta put more in. I just have to... So yeah, no more stupid bar fails. Oh, it already did that work for me. However, lightning bolts I think needs a fix. I honestly don't like lightning bolts. I think the confetti's fine. I don't know about you. I like having the confetti here. I think it works. Works, in my opinion. First off, let's get rid of this random... What's holding that? Trusses. I think it's in trusses. Let's get rid of that part. And we're gonna put more trusses there. So I'm just gonna grab this. We're just getting rid of that random ass part that's right there. And then I do have like the lines. red lines on it now so the confetti won't mark the passing an obstacle anymore. It'll be the red lines. And then the red line will also be where this wall is. I do need to move up without affecting the obstacle. Okay, good. I think I'll put the red line there in a second. But for now, let's work on this. Because I actually feel like trusses would work better here than that random ass part that was on top of it. Alright, I think that's good there. Okay. And then I'm just gonna grab these. Crap. Didn't even mean to do that. There we go. Now we have like a big square. What's the difference between Trust 1 and Trust 2? I don't know. Anyways. And so now, let's actually grab one of these. Rotate it. Or actually, I got a better idea. I'm gonna take one of these. Where's the trusses? Okay. Well, you know, I can't because it's in a group. God, why do the groups have to limit me? Or actually, I can just use these. You know, I don't need the other one, so I can just grab. I'm having a hard time with this for no reason. And we can just take these. Or actually, no, I can't. Let's grab these. And then duplicate. Go. Okay, good. And then place this in here. That way, it's much easier to make it. A lot of copy and paste. Doesn't everybody love copy and paste? Everybody loves copy and paste in here. I wonder what my dogs are barking at. They always bark. Most of the time they bark for no reason. Maybe I'll just place a... There we go. Got the trusses there. And then deselect. Everything that is not needed. So get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you. And then see here. Yes. And then we cut. And we place it in salmon ladder. Yes. Absolute W. Absolute W, man. Here we go. Changed it. Yeah, I think that looks better. It fits more. The only thing I'm doing, I've looked at them and I feel like they're fine for qualifiers obstacles. But the only thing I want to change is adding a timer here to warp wall. I took that from boot camp to here. That's the only thing I'm doing with semifinals. And I'll add that to like the buzzer script. And also add a button here for the timer wall and stuff like that. Alright, now, honestly, this lightning bolt sucks. I don't like it. And I don't think anybody in the Discord says they like it either. Yeah, 1 of 6. Nobody likes lightning bolts. Hello. Hello. So, I think the best course of action for lightning bolts, get rid of it. We're gonna get rid of it. We're placing a new one here. Now, what to put here is a good question. What do I put here? Ideas. I need ideas. Of course, it's too easy. Plus, it looks bad. I think it looks bad in my opinion. So, should I remake it? Lightning bolts to be much better? I think lightning bolts can be better. So, I'm gonna take the same thing I had approached with it. And I think we just gotta super buff it. So, I'm just gonna take you for a second, and we're just gonna create. I don't want to use another obstacle for it because, you know, what obstacle is there to use for this one? So I think the best course of action here, we're gonna buff it, obviously. These jumps, way too easy. So the best thing I need to do, let's get rid of the bar tech for now. The bar tech will be done later. Or actually, let's keep it, and we're going to lower it down. We're just going to lower it down. It's like around here. That way we can work on it. Now I'm going to ungroup. Nope. We're going to ungroup. And we're going to work on the structure itself. So we're just going to tear this thing apart. Trusses, they're fine. Unions is what I want to change. Taking each and every one of these unions. Tab, select. Obviously. Deselect these. And boop. No more. They're gone. I think we should do that from scratch. So, let's make one. Also, I want to change the color. I forgot to do this on Salmon Ladder. I don't think this fits. Because it's usually white and black. Black and white. I'm pretty sure it's the theme of qualifiers. That's the theme I'm going to put in semifinals. Rungs. Okay, that's the rungs. We need double salmon. We need Salmon Ladder. Alright, we're gonna go back to our. I'm just gonna. Oh no. Okay. Just gonna duplicate. let me test. I'll do testing like another day. I mean, I'm working on finishing everything in the new version first, and then we're gonna do testing. So I'm thinking we do white on the outside and black on the inside. So I'm just gonna grab each and every one of these. I hope I don't have to make absolute new ledges for this, because I'm gonna be pissed. I have to make new ledges for this. God damn it. Shouldn't be that bad, though. I just didn't feel like changing the colors. Felt like changing the color of the union, and just didn't want to. So, I think the best course of action is I'm gonna steal one of these ledges. Place them here. That way it's much easier to work on them. Ungroup. And then we're gonna separate this union with, and we're gonna make it black. That union. There we go. Or actually, I think we should do the other way around. I don't think you're going to be able to see the ledges because of how dark MP Events Arena is. Let's do it the other way around. Just going to put white on the ledges. Union. And this is plastic. We're going to put this to metal. Union. Parts. And then we're going to group this as a not lead. Ledge. There. Awesome. And so now, I'm not nerfing anything, I'm just gonna make a entirely new design here. So yeah. And then find that ledge, get rid of it. Why does this kind of look... Oh no, it's fine, I'm just being an idiot. And then we just place these, or no. Okay. Alright, now, I'm gonna take these, take a little part here. This is how I align things. Boom, boom, and then boom. And then we just go, whoop. Line. Put there. Boom. There. 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 And there. There we go. And then we're just gonna take those and we're gonna make it black. Ledges gone. Oh, that's the other one. all the ledges. Inky read them. Except for that one part. Why did I get it? Salmon ladder. Bars. All these ledges. Boom. Gone. Anyways, we need to put these two. There. There we go. I think that fits more to the theme. I like it. Then we take these ledges. Cut. Find this. Paste. Awesome. And then we place this back in. Now it's aligned. Take this other salmon ladder. Boom. Now we got a new redecorated salmon ladder that fits the theme. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. And if I need to, and if it's too dark, I'll put some lighting into it. But so far, I like it. I like it. I think it looks good. Alright. Now it's time to get on to here. Let's make ourselves lightning bolts. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and then we're just gonna duplicate that. 0.25. We're just gonna make 250, 75. Alright, we're just make this a stud tall. And we're gonna put black here. Ooh, I might actually have a cool idea how to decorate this. 25, 50, 100. Let me place this to be black. I don't know how long I should make it. Probably a little bit longer. Like a stud or two. Yeah, I think that's good. That's a good length that we have here. And the lean on it. Lean? Where? Okay. Honestly, don't know how I feel about it. I think these are made to be much more smaller. I'm just gonna move it down by one stud. Crap. Just freaking. Ah, that's boot camp. Okay. And then move this. And then move this down. I'm gonna put, I think, black in the middle. And then we're gonna do similar to what I did with the salmon ladder. The Z fighting will go away when I union it, so. So I'm gonna grab that part there in the ledge. Let's find the ledge. One of these ledges, and we're gonna grab a part here. Copy. We're gonna move it over here. We're gonna paste it here. This little guy here. Little itty bitty guy. And it's going to be held right here. So I'm just going to move it to here. That way it's Z fighting. Alright, and we're just going to take this out. Duplicate. Negate. Boom. Boom. Okay. And then we move this back. And then we move this. There. There. Now it looks like it's holding it up. That's awesome. And then we take... And then we're going to take all of this. Duplicate. And we're going to turn it around. And then move this in. Awesome. Get rid of this. We're going to grab this whole thing. And we're gonna change it all to metal. Nah, let's keep it plastic. And we're gonna union it. But I don't like how that looks. Is there any better union than that? Alright, we're gonna get everything except this one. Because if I do that, then that's gonna union. Alright. Okay. Medium stone gray. There, that's exactly like it. And then we're gonna union that. Then, boom. Now that's all together. I think that looks good. We just need to mess with physics a bit. So it'll start right around here. And we're gonna move this here. Okay, so we line it up. Ah, man. God, I don't know. I was probably on some crack when I made this. But... yeah, that's the distance we need. I'm gonna not collide this. Okay, I kind of like the hold things that hold it. So I'm just gonna grab these. We're gonna copy that. Roger. Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. Okay, like this. I'm gonna grab these. Move it a little bit, and yeah, I think that's aligned. What this part have? Oh yeah, I think this part had the attachments, and then the hinge. Okay, so I don't know how the physics worked on this, but now the jumps I need to do, they're gonna be pretty big. So a lot like these. Oh crap, I didn't even duplicate the frickin' metal thing. You know, let's get one of these hinged. Okay, so I'm gonna look back at this lightning bolt I have here for reference. I put the hinge here. None, but I put limits enabled 20 to 20. So I'm just gonna work on having this be weld to here, and this is gonna have a union. It's gonna have a hinge here, and then it's gonna move to here, and then we're just gonna move that. Then we're gonna take this hinge restraint, limits enabled, 20 to 20. Perfect. And then what is the mass of this hinge? Of these here? I have physics, right? Yeah, custom physical properties. And they're unanchored, which is what I expect. The density is 1.5, so... Okay, let me take a picture of these. Done. Okay. Those are the physics I'm going to be going by when making this. Now make sure this isn't anchored, and neither is this. Not anchored. And this is not anchored either. So, custom physical properties. Now let's make, so 1.5, 0.51, 0.31. I think I only changed it there. So, yeah, that should be good to that side. Now I can just duplicate this and do the same thing to the other side. Hopefully, anyway. Doesn't matter. Let's get rid of this union. And that should work. We'll just bring the bar tech over here. First off, line up the bar. Good. Alright, let's try it. What's holding them down? Or you know what? It might be the other way around. Let's do the other way around. Crap, no. Okay. weld. Oh no. Come here. And then this welds to here, and this welds to here. Alright, let's try it. Let's try it now. All the testing. Oh, it regened in the middle of it. Okay. I kind of need to fix that. Let's fix that. Where's the Bartek? Move that back down. Reset. I'm not going to mess with the reset. I'm just going to move it. And again, it's just a test, so. Huh. I wonder how does this work then? Let's turn off Can Collide for these. I don't know why Can Collide's on for them anyway. I wonder how these work then. Attachments. The hinge is fine. They don't have any. So what's wrong with this? Is something anchored and it's just not anchoring, not letting it move? It's not anchored. And neither is this. That's strange. Well, let me just separate these unions. Or actually, let's just take one of these unions. Separate. You read it? No. Got it. Oh, now it's a... What was I about to say? Okay. Why is this straight and not the other one? Hold on. Why is this? Huh. And then Let me take this. Move this. There. Okay. Let me take a hinge. To 5. Place it right here. God, come on. Whatever. Anyways, anchored is off. Custom physical properties. 1.5, I'm pretty sure is what it was. Sailing. And then I need to do the same over here. We're gonna take this hinge over here, little guy. Move that there. And then, that should be the same. Oh yeah, I need to enable its limits. Limits enabled. -20 and 20. That should be good. Oh, I see it. It's moving. Seems way to one side, though. I think we just need to move it. Move the hinge a little bit. What are my dogs barking at? What? What are they barking at? Hold on, chat. I'm back. I'm wondering what they were barking at. Ah. I'm wondering what to keep it from. Unless I can try this. Nope. I don't know why that was me being dumb. Anyways. Honestly, I think it's fine the way it is. Although I'm a little annoyed about the... Now let's make it so that it's actually hard to complete these. First off, let's group them. Let's group these things together. I want to call them... Ah. Oh, I keep deleting them on accident. Call them bolts. Whatever the fridge magnet the bolts are. One. I think right there is good. Let's do 16. 16. Still too easy. 17, 18. Heck, oh. These. Why does it do that? It's dumb. Honestly, I think the best thing we can do is just like rotate it all. Imagine this works. That'd be funny if this works. No. It's still leaning too much. I hate the lean on it. Wait, can't you rotate? Nope, that's not how that works. I think the best thing to do is just make sure they're leaning straight up. I think I see... That should work. Oh, yeah. But why is it still leaning that way? Okay, that's too hard. Okay, it's in the right position. How about this? Oh, I'm just for fun. That's meaning it lean more. So this way. Right? That's the other way. I think like this, right? Still that way. I thought that was a dog. That scared the living crap out of me. I thought that was one of my dogs getting hurt or something out there. I'm like, what is going on out there? Thank God it wasn't. I would have been so scared. That was just a song. That scared the crap out of me. Why is this leaning now? Honestly, just screw it. Let's keep it the way it is with it leaning down. As much as I hate it. Honestly, we need it. I think we need it to lean lower. So 25. 25. And then we take this, duplicate, and we move it to here. Okay. Why does it still feel too easy? Hinge. $20. Okay. What the? Oh, duplicate. Okay. Delete. Still too easy. I think we need to nerf it by 1. I think that's fine. I want to make it so you have to move the bar, so... Where's the region? I moved that thing far. I might have made it too hard. Let's just move it to 0.5. And then we're just gonna move it in. Boom. Okay. And then we're gonna test it and see if it's good enough. Okay, I think that's better. I think that's better. Alright, and then we have the lightning bolts move to here. And delete. And then we're just gonna work on the bolts itself. You know what? I'm gonna just not screw the trusses. Just gonna grab these bolts. Cuts. Crap. No. I don't want these. Cuts. Paste into original location, so the bolts are there. I didn't paste them in? I'm an idiot. No! Paste. That should be... No, it's not in there. I'm an idiot. I'm just gonna place it in here. There we go. Why was that so hard? Reset. Region. Cut. And then we just place it in lightning bolts. There. Alright. Now let's go ahead. Oh, crap. Okay. Now we take these. Why did I say it like that? These. And we're just going to move it in place of here. Goodbye. Old lightning bolts, you will not be missed. Here come the new. You will not be missed. Bye-bye. And I don't want to put too many trusses down, so I'm just going to move these. Or you know what? I actually need to lower the lightning bolts. Crap. I'll do that once the trusses are done. Let's teleport. I don't want to do that. I want this. Oops. I just like everything that's not. And I do want to make it still look like you're jumping for the bar, so I'm just going to move it like right around here. So yeah, I think right here is good. Yeah, I think that's fine. The way currently is. Now, I need to move the Bartek regions. And then I'm also going to take this, place this right here. And then I'm going to also move the confetti. Around here. That's nice. And I think that will... And then the Bartek TP is going to go right here. You're going to jump for the bar. So yeah, that should be much more buffed and much more fair. Be buffed. And so now take this, and that's your new lightning bolts. Redesigned lightning bolts that look much better than ever. And now let's go test it. Now you spawn here. And obviously the bar is regenning. And then you jump for it. Like that. You see? And then you move your way through. And you see these lightning bolts are much more harder. And boom. There we go. I like that. I think that's good. And where's the obstacle completion? There it is. And then the dismount. I honestly think I should... No, let's not buff it. I was about to say buff the dismount, but no, let's not do that. I don't think anyone will want me to buff that. So, yeah. And then I'm going to take this red line. Which I'm also going to put into the other stuff. So the red line... no. You stay there. We're going to take this. And we're going to place this right here. So we're just going to take this. Place. I'm just going to move it in. And then you complete the obstacle at the end. So right there. That way your foot crosses. That's for semifinals. That won't be there in the actual thing. And so now we have to find... Okay, this is where it is. There won't be any actual, like, qualifiers. That warp wall will end with hitting the buzzer, so... I kinda don't like how high. Cargo net is. That kinda gives me an idea. I just got an idea. I have a fun idea I can make. To solve the height problem. So, I'm gonna keep this. But in order to do this, I'm gonna move all of these things out of the way. So I have the feeling of oversizing those. So we're just gonna move all of these. Now we're gonna take the bolts and the parts. Hold on, I don't have the trusses linked? Dang, I'm bad. What do I have? Oh, yeah. Let's get rid of the pool. Pool. And then we get rid of this. Get rid of this. And so it should be just the trusses. Yeah, just the trusses. We just cut, and then we place them in here. Awesome. Then we take these lightning bolts, everything except for the bar tech, and we duplicate them, move them down, so right around here. Oh, I'm liking this. And then you could do like a rope swing down here. Oh, that's cool. I actually might be cooking. Might be cooking, chat. Alright, I'm just gonna get rid of the transparency. Nope, that's not getting rid of the transparency. On there, for now. What part is this? Script? This is the speed script, right? Yeah, that's the speed script. And then, okay, we're gonna turn this visible so I know where it is. And then we're also gonna get bar tech. We're gonna move the fail to like right here. There's gonna be a rope right here. I might be cooking. I might be cooking, chat. And to remove the cargo net, so I think the best thing to do with cargo net, honestly, get rid of it. Bop! No more cargo net. And you're gonna dismount. I'm gonna call this, I'm gonna pick a brand new obstacle to replace it. And it's gonna be like an awesome ending. And it's gonna be right in front of the stage. So, right in front of the audience. So, I think it's gonna be a phenomenal ending. So, let me go to Botan. See, I might have a rope somewhere. I don't feel like building a new one because it's literally, what time is it? 9:33. I want to find. Hey, you're going to Taco Bell without me, Macy? I have to. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. My sister's going to Taco Bell. Look at Discord. I've not been looking at Discord a lot. I should. I'm jealous. I mean, I got my license, but still. Oh yeah, I was gonna get the rope. I think the one I'm gonna go with is button. Button 1, baby. Button 1. I'm obviously gonna make this rope better. Or how funny would it be if I just ended semifinals of the final ring? How funny would it be? Probably wouldn't be very funny, but still. It'll probably be the only competition ever to have a final ring as an ending, but I think it'll be the best ending. Let's tire on Trick Machine. Slider jump and lumberjack climb. You know what? Let's make something. Or you know what? Let's go to stage 3 of button 2. So we're gonna go to, let's go beach. Let's go to the beach. And I'm just gonna flat out steal my own final ring from my own course. It's gonna be funny, and I think it'll be a good way to end semifinals. So here we are, button 2. Man, honestly, I feel like beach is underrated. Or actually, no. I think it would be city that's underrated. I don't know what. I love the beach. Like, I think beach is cool. I think beach is an absolutely awesome map. I don't know about y'all. Oh, I need to optimize this bad. Why is the ship not grouped? What have I been doing? Oh, I'm an idiot. Anyways, I put power tower on the beach because I put the ship there. And I think it's awesome. Have these lights here on the floats. Man, I cooked in this stage 3. Except for this. This one sucked. But still. And there's a lot of things that suck. Like this. These two suck. This one, good. This one, good. This one sucks. This one kinda sucks. This one, awesome. Alright, let's steal this final ring. Steal the track. I think this is the same one I used in Reforged. But yeah. Now, we go back. And we paste. This is it, baby. Most amazing end to semifinals. Right here. Or... I'm getting more ideas. God, why am I getting ideas from doing this? Why? Anyways. It's gonna be funny. I think we need to put a hanger here. So we can move. I wanted to jump into the final ring itself. But I decided not to because, you know, I feel like that's a bad idea. It wouldn't be working very well. Let's do a double final ring. Let's do a double final ring for no reason. Like the one we put inside of... Like, honestly, it may be stupid, but let's see how this looks in the end. It might not look stupid. Who knows? A lot of the things I do are stupid. that's the thing itself. Regen. Game.workspace. Okay, we're gonna change that. So first off, we're gonna grab this. Group. And then we're gonna do rail. And then we're gonna do, okay, group. Final ring 1. So, and then we're just gonna put ring. And then, that's the thingy. And we need to go dot final ring 1. There. And then we're gonna duplicate it. And we're gonna move it over here. The most stupidest thing I can do, but I think it'll be awesome. Let me cook. Let me cook. Chat. Just let me cook. I first off need to see if these rings work. The ring itself, and boom. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's too easy. I need to move this, but whatever. Alright, let's see. Will this work? And I'm wondering where to put the landing. It'll go fly over. I think it'll look really cool. Yeah, well, I think that'll look really awesome. Alright, let's just do that. I think that's awesome. Let me cook, chat. Let me cook. Final ring number 2. Just let me cook. Anyways. Just gonna place this. And then I'm gonna group these two together. Boom. Final rings. Oh, I'm having way too much fun doing this. I'm gonna take these out. Rings. And I'm gonna group them. So, rings. Path 2. And then we're gonna rename this to Path 3. No. What? A 3? Where did I get that from? I'm not having 3 final rings. Unless, I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not doing that. There's no way I'm doing that. Rings, they're in. And then... Wait, where's the regens? Where'd the regens go? Oh. Okay, workspace dot final rings dot rings, and that should be good for that script. Yeah, that will regen both of them. And I'm just gonna make sure to keep track of each one. So ring 1, and then ring 2. Final rings. Awesome. Now, oh, this is either going to be a monstrosity or absolute masterpiece. It can go either way. And then, the platform. Will be right around here. Alright. It's either going to be a monstrosity or an amazing masterpiece. Masterclass. I just have to make sure that this is all balanced all together. Also to make sure this is possible. This is the fail. So that gets rid of that. Alright, let's try it. From... Man, I wish my admin commands worked. And then we jump to here. And then we boom. Crap, I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad. I'm bad at this game. Okay. Alright. We're also going to be working on the button import before it needs to the actual game. And then we move down. And then we move down. Crap! Man. I'm kind of getting a feeling in my head that it made lightning bolts too hard. Imagine you fling back to the TIE Fighter. That would be funny. That would be funny, but I would count it as a disqualification if you landed on the TIE Fighter. But it's like, I want it to be an awesome ending. Like, I feel like the ending for the current one is too boring. Ah! That's too high. That's too high. That's too... Or actually too low. What am I saying? Don't listen to me, chat. Anyways, ring 2. We're gonna put... Move this... Crap. No. Final planet ring path 2. I'm gonna move this up by many studs. That's too many studs. Okay, I think that's it. So now I know the transition here is possible. And it works fine. I just need to make sure to check that these are possible. That's not possible. Great. I think there, and then we just move this to the left. Let me see here. Okay, let's just move this a bit. I'm gonna put studs, trusses on these. I just want to test if these are possible. Just let me cook. To be honest, 3 wings would be funny. That would be funny. Stage 3, I'm gonna change up stage 3 a little bit. It's already good. Like, it's already pretty good. It's already a pretty good option. Imagine, I don't know if it's gonna do that, but if it goes over the audience, that would be so cool. To have it fly over the audience. That'd be such a cool ending to the semifinals. Ugh, that's a hard jump. I don't know how hard that jump is. Okay, we're heading down. Okay, that's barely a thing. I'm gonna nerf it. Just a teeny bit. There. Let's nerf it. And then I'm gonna take this. And I'm gonna change this. Why is the fail all the way out here? Huh? Okay. Just take this. And then we're just gonna shorten it a bit. So I don't think anybody's gonna be straight up walking off the platform, but people could surprise me. People can surprise me. I'm welcome. I'm welcome for a surprise. To a surprise. That's fine, I think. Hopefully, anyway. There. Test if you could get to the platform from the TIE Fighter. No. I don't think you can. No. Look at that jump you would have to make. Nah, that's crazy. Plus, these trusses are non-collidable. You can't climb on those. Now, I'm gonna take... Where's the... Did I delete the mat? Damn it. It's okay. I deleted mat chat. Sorry. But anyways. I think that's good. I like it. I like having Final Ring as the last obstacle. What do you guys think? You guys like having 2 Final Rings as your last obstacle of a semi-finals course? Calling all A&W comp developers and put Final Ring in as your final obstacle in these. Don't do it or in reality, don't do it unless you're like me. Unless you're me. I'm the only one that actually thinks of these things. And I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Okay. And then we're gonna extend this. Extend. As much as it would be cool to have 3 rings, I'm not gonna do it because, you know, I at least have 2. But you know, I have to play around. I mean, I'm a human in the end of the day, so I don't want to have fun with this. I mean, it's my comp at the end of the day, so I get to do whatever I want with it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I probably need to extend the pool. Is this still... Oh yeah, this is still salmon ladder. I need to get rid of that. Boom. We're just gonna throw it in here. Now we take those trusses. Make sure I have them all. Yep. And we're gonna cut. And we're gonna place them into final rings. Boom. Then we take these, rotate them. I love doing the stupid things. The stupid things are the best thing you can do. Dang. Hold on. I'm just gonna move it like this. I hate doing that though, because it looks so off. Because if you don't see it, it looks like it's blocking the TIE fighter. Let's just make another truss something specifically to this one. Ooh, let me cook here for a second. I want to see how this looks. What the heck? Why is it doing that? Hold on. That was weird. What the heck? Why is it doing that? Huh? You make no sense, game. Excuse me, game. You make no sense. Roblox, you make no sense. Huh? 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 Are you serious, Roblox? Your key. Crap, I didn't select that. Give me that. Cut. Paste in the final rings. Truss. Crap, no! Okay. Rip. Trusses. Okay. I think that's an awesome ending to put into the game. So you got final rings here. I wonder where Cargonet's teleport is. I don't know where Cargonet's... Does Cargonet have a teleport? I'm pretty sure it does. I may have deleted it. I did. No! Ah, keep pressing the wrong buttons. I'm gonna make my own. Where's this 2? Check 7. Check 7's right here. Check 5. We don't have a check 6. Check 5. Check 4. Check 3. Let's get rid of this for now. There's no check for the salmon ladder, huh? I'm placing this back down. Bad boy back down then. Check 6. Alright. What is it here? Teleport salmon bridge. This is check 6, right? Yeah, check 6. Okay, good. I was hoping. Alright, now let's get check 8. Which was going to be cargo net. And now, got an even better option. So we take this. There. Okay. And then we're going to take this, teleport spider. We're going to move all the way through. So this is part 1. So we're just going to make this through. And if you go fall down there on accident and you hit fall down, which somehow, which you can somehow do. Ooh, I got an idea actually. If this, hold on, let me be right back for a second. Okay, I just used the bathroom really quick. Um, I just thought of something, but I forgot what it was. Okay. So now we're gonna Oh, now I remember what I wanted to do. I'm gonna check for any time that they can skip. Well, this is practice. It's not like it's gonna matter. So yeah, that's not gonna matter. Let's just keep it as is. Okay. I want to move pool 3. So we're just gonna take this and we're just gonna move it to here. And we're gonna do our SBS, resize object. Oh crap. We'll do it one at a time. Okay. Why is it lagging when I do that? Okay, then we do that, and then we do this. Okay. And then we're gonna take this, scale it. Nope, not that. Why is it doing that? Come on. Oh, it's selecting 2 parts. That's why. Didn't mean to do that, but whatever. And then we do this. And then we're just gonna set up these. And then we go to our handy dandy little command. Water. Let's see how it goes here. Okay. Now we're adding more water. We'll move in. More water. There. Perfect. Awesome. And then we take pool 2. Find. Nope. Where's the thing that triggers the fountains? I keep on freaking doing that. I don't know why. Do a full run? I will in a second. But there. And then I'm gonna start coding this. There. 3. 4. And we're gonna copy these. These, change these to false. There. And then we're gonna put in three. This one is 4. Hold on. Let me look back at that script. Three. 4. 3. 4. And then no. Oh, wait. I can just do this. Copy. Place. 7 fountains. 5th. Fountains. And then, boop. Replace them all. And then we gotta go into 3, fountain, 3, 4, okay, and that should work. So let me just spawn in like right here. Oh yeah, now it's working for all 4 of them. Awesome. That's the confetti there. This is what I wanted. Obviously. And so now I obviously, you know what? I'm just gonna give in and I'm just gonna raise this higher. It won't be as big as I'm just gonna make it as big as I can. Without making it public. You know, I think it's too blocking, so I'm just gonna move it down. Or, even better, staircase. Where's the staircase? Honestly, what can I use? This is staircase. Only thing is, it's a little small. Dang it. Like around here. Just scale it up a little bit. There. Just move it. Okay. Let's see if that's possible. I'm just gonna test it. And we will see. Dang it. Alright, I gotta change that script, first of all. I have to change this. Is this check 8? And the other... eight. Awesome. Ah, I don't jump. Because I'm so good at this game. I kind of feel like I made this too hard. Yeah, I made this too hard. I gotta nerf it. It's just the trust. It's gonna be so painful to move. Man up. I'm just gonna do it. I'm trying to find the best way to do this. Deselect them all. It's not gonna work. I need to figure out. I'm gonna cut the trusses. Place that there. Ungroup those trusses. And that's gonna be the best I'm gonna make it. So ring 2. Final path, ring 2. You know, I think it would be much easier. Actually, this entire time. First off, I need to put that back. Cool, 3. Is if I just take these trusses, place them into the thing, cut, place them in, grip them, trusses. There. Now that won't be such a pain. And I'll do the same thing here. I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier. Now I have thought about it. Still got the pool. Let's get rid of it. Okay. Check. Okay, still got that. Okay. Now I should have all the trusses, right? Yes. Cut. Place into path 1. Grab this into trusses. There. That should be much easier to move it. So I made this too hard, so I'm gonna have to nerf it. So let's nerf it by like a stud. 2. Undo. I think there is good. Let's go test it now. It should be much better. I made that little one too hard. Yeah, I think that's better. Although I could buff it a little bit more, but honestly, I think it's fine the way it is. I just gotta make sure that last jump is possible. If it is, then we'll see. That's a little too easy. Let's just move it back a little bit more. There. That should be good. Now let's try it. Got it. And then finish it off. Awesome. And that'll be the clear. Yay, you cleared semifinals. Okay. Honestly, I think that's everything. I think that's everything in the qualifiers. Ignore that. Ignore that. Anyways, I think that's everything in qualifiers and semifinals for obstacle building wise. I think that's awesome. That's an awesome way. Let's see here. Alright, so we're gonna start from 0. I'm just kidding. Alright. Let's do this! Alright, let's see. Alright. Quintuple steps. Dang it. Okay. Same old quintuple steps. Same good old quintuple steps. Awesome. Boom. Alright. TIE Fighter. Same TIE Fighter. Good old little TIE Fighter. Boom. Done. Okay, prism tilts. Boom. Awesome. And then we have the broken blades. Ah! Woo! Woo! That was close. Okay. Bar hop. Awesome. Okay, that was my fault. Alright, redo. Oh my god. I'm already in love with this new course, man. Hey, Michael, do you use a laptop? No, not anymore. Okay, good. Alright, got past the warp wall. Now we're going up to the salmon ladder. Salmon ladder hasn't changed, just got a redeco. Done. Alright, now lightning bolts. The new and improved lightning bolts. Dang it. Okay. I might have made lightning bolts a little bit too hard, but... I might be having second thoughts on these lightning bolts. On second thoughts, actually, I don't think I am. You just gotta learn them. Yeah, you just gotta do a little bit of a shimmy, and you'll get through it. Okay, there. Now final rings. Boom. That's semifinals all complete. Man, isn't she now a beauty? First off, we're gonna need to get the pool back. I'll just need to make some minor adjustments. To the pools and stuff. Taste. Absolutely gorgeous. This is your near semifinals. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna get things situated here. Okay. So yeah, that's your semifinals. Your new and improved semifinals. Now, it's time to go to button. The official game itself. Or actually, no. Not yet. We gotta add our little details. There's like only one thing I need to add to these, and that is, let me go back to the... Grasslands. No. Alright, let's go. Alright, I need to put one of these buttons in. So I'm just gonna load into one of the button maps. Okay. Here we go. We're in the beach map. I'm just trying to look for a button. Don't I have a button like around here somewhere that... Oh yeah, these. I'm just gonna grab this. And we're just gonna go over to qualifiers. And I'm just gonna place this to the warp wall. Paste. Not timed. And we got timed. Oh my god, no. Okay. Timed. There. Now we're gonna edit these buttons. Not timed. 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 So not timed would put these in server storage. I think it'll be easier if I just put the system into a group. Let's just move to that. Let's just group these together. And we're just gonna call them timer. Let's just do that. Parts. Dot timer. Dot nope. Dot parent. That's gonna be how that works. I'm also going to make sure that script is disabled so no bugs can screw it up. Wait, I can't... I have to do this. I can interact. Okay. I hate when that happens. Timed. Game.service storage. .workspace. .timed. Timer. .parents. Game.server storage. Game. Or actually, game.workspace. .timer. .parts. .parents. Script equals dot disabled equals straight. There. And then game dot workspace dot timer dot part dot script timer dot parents equals game dot server storage. That should be good for the thing. The default will be disabled. So let's just go to timer script and it's gonna be disabled. Yep. And then we're gonna go to the other one. We're gonna change the names in a second. Workspace got not timed. Not timed. And then we're gonna go take the stuff from here and we're gonna do the exact opposite. So disabled equals false. Dot server storage dot timer equals false. Game dot server storage dot timer dot parent is equal to game dot workspace. There. Now that should work. Let's try it. Actually, I'm gonna check the script itself. The part that game.workspace.timer. Okay. Workspace.timer. There. That should work fine. So let's try it. So to open the course, you could just run the wall freely. Yeah, you could just run the wall freely. But with a timer, so that's where it is. Yeah, that should be good. And then back, that should be fine. However, what if I do this? There, there, there. Does it reappear? And close. Yeah, that bugs the thing. Honestly, I think I should just keep that. script.disable thing off. I think we just leave it alone. And now let's just make a sign for it. It won't be that much, but it'll be there for the course. But yeah, now, that's basically what I wanted to do for this game. Now you have the official thing, you have the thing in the practice game. We're now going to work on porting it to the actual Botan game. And you guys know where Botan 2 is located, or Qualifiers is located. MP Events Arena. So we're going to the MP Events Arena to port this stuff. Port the entire game. It's gonna be tough to do, because, you know, we're gonna have to fix a lot. There is a ton of changes that might crash the stream, so. Is the logo gonna stay the same? Oh, of course it's gonna stay the same. It's gonna stay the same. Alright, I'm gonna delete the K-fly there. Oh, man. Here we are. This is Botan 2 and its qualifiers. Now we're gonna have to do a lot of changes. But we're basically going to be lining up with a lot of the platforms. Some of the platforms didn't change, so that's going to help. So I'm just going to rely on the platforms. But anything I have, so any of the new stuff here, so we're just going to take out all of these. Maybe not these, because I might need them. But we're just going to take out everything. All of these obstacles. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this is gonna lag like hell, but... So we're gonna do the best course of action. Get rid of them. Oh my God, it looks empty. But now, we're putting in the new. So we're gonna go here. Grab absolutely everything in here. Except for the teleports. No, I'm not updating the game until everything is tested and fixed. What is this? Oh, it's a trip block. How the hell did a trip block get all the way over there? Alright, let's get back to what it was. If I were to update it now, then you guys would have like a month of practice. Or actually, that would probably be a better thing to have a month of practice. But I want everyone to be able to have practice on everything. So. Spawn locations is not highlighted. Okay, that's good. Final rings are good. Platforms are good. Pools are good. Salmon ladder's good. Everything's selected, so that's good. Timed is good. Or actually, I need to keep the time and not time out. Let's get rid of this. I need to deselect these. Because that's not going to be in the official course. And then, I'm also gonna take Timer with me. Timer's gonna go with me. You're gonna be deselected. I don't need you. And I don't need you either. Actually, I might need you to measure, so I'm just gonna keep you. I'll delete. No. Okay. I'm gonna line up with the pools. I'm gonna use the pools to line up everything, like the buttons. Alright? We're gonna copy this. This might crash the stream. Here we are in Button. Right. By the way, let's get rid of all these fountains. And random things floating. What is this? Oh, that's lights. Okay. I thought that looked weird. I thought it was like this one. It was like, "What's up with your busy waves there?" I thought those were like things were like, "Oh, you need to." I was about to say. I'm just cleaning up a lot of things that I didn't get, so please get out. Yeah, I was a little bit on crack when I made it. I'll fix like the trusses and stuff when I'm. That's the slow script. It's tower lights. What's this? Okay, this might be the script to go back. Yes, we don't need this anymore. So we're just gonna get rid of it. Or not. I might have gotten rid of something else. I got rid of the script. Great. It's not gonna do much. Okay. That might be good. Oh. Get rid of that. What is this? Oh, it's a trip block. Okay. That'll come with me, I'm pretty sure, to the thing itself. Okay. Now time to put in the new course. Alright. I'm gonna turn it to day, that way I can see. So, lighting. Just gonna put it to day for now. Oh, God. Oh, God. Now I can't see. Hold on. Off for now. Okay. Put the atmosphere there. There. Now I can see. Time to place it. Oh, that's probably gonna crash the game. Ah. Oh. It didn't crash. Hold on. There it is. The new and improved course is up here. It's just gonna take a bit. Oh God, the stream is lagging. It's because of how big this freaking course is. Don't ask me, I don't know why those exist. This is your new and improved button too. This might lag the stream a bit. Okay, it's centered. Oh my god. I mean, when you're gonna have this many obstacles to port, that's not really the best way. There's not really a way to optimize it like that. I think this is the best we're gonna get. Like, oh my god, look at this. You're now looking at a new and improved Bottom 2 qualifiers. Oh, it's lagging. I mean, I don't blame it because there's freaking a lot to put in here. I'm just gonna let it optimize on its own. It's gonna do that because of how big this freaking game is. There's a lot of emojis that just don't have a point. It's kind of like my emojis. I just put them in because I feel like it. But oh my god. Now let's get rid of the pull 3. The old versions. It's not gonna matter if they're off-centered or not. What I care about is a good game. Okay, I kind of do. Let me just fix this. These little gaps here. But like, oh my god. This is how it feels to be proud of your work, ladies and gentlemen. And then, we're gonna place these here. We're just gonna continue to move. Water. Bop. And bought. There we go. Bought in 2. New qualifiers and semifinals is now in the official game. First off, let me get one of these tower lights. Where is it? Let's final smoke. I need... to grab one of these. Bring it all the way over here to this there. This there. I love it, this there, ladies and gentlemen. Or actually, wait, I can't do that. I'll mess up the script. What's one that's just doing absolutely nothing? This one's doing absolutely nothing, so I'm just gonna move it to here, so now oh yeah, baby. Triple! I'm so cringe. Look. But oh yeah, baby. Look at this. Now I'm gonna place this timer into server storage. And now I want to change audience lighting. Which one is semifinals? Enable semifinals buzzer. I'm gonna go to toggles. Buzzer semi. Timer is inside of semifinal server storage, right? Yeah. Game.serverStorage.timer.parent equals game.workspace. Okay. And then we're going to disable, which we'll put in game.workspace.timer.parent equals game.server storage. Okay, that should work. Now, we're gonna go to timer, or no, we're gonna go to the player, atmosphere, replacing it in, and then we're gonna change it back to night. 0, night. Okay, now let's actually make it look good. See, how does this look? I don't see much of a difference. I honestly think I like a kind of a gray. Or no, actually. Let me see. Honestly, I think like a light is better. That's too much haze. Let's not do that. Or actually, we just keep it black. The haze is not good. Density. I think the density there is good. I don't see a difference in the offset. Alright, bloom. Okay, let's just change that back. What's the threshold? I do not see a difference. Make the blur and color correction. That's fine, and brightness. I think there is good. And then saturation. Oh no. What does it look like if I take it off? I like it with it on. I think the best thing we could do... What do these lights have? Let me see. Where are these lights? Tower lights. What do each one of them have? Point lights. Points? We're going to highlight every single point light in this tower. So each and every single one of these lights. And we're going to change the brightness. I don't know if I like it. How does it look when it's white? I don't know about that. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it like that. I think there's just the lights are too close to the ground. You know, I didn't even have to do that. You can just keep it as it is. Turn the range down. We're actually... I just want to make it so it doesn't look so bright. So I think the color correction is the biggest thing. I think the 0.4 is going to be the best. Brightness, we're just going to keep it up a bit. I think 0. Okay, 15 is good. And then... Oh, yeah! I think that's good. You can clearly see better. I think it's better. I just want to make the lighting look good, and I think that's as best we're gonna get with it. And oh my god. Alright, I just want to test. So I'm just gonna play button 2. Let's play button 2. 2 chat. Alright, there's one, okay. Hello? Script? Where the heck? Oh, is it in a different direction? That's why. Okay. Okay, we're gonna have to do this. We're gonna have to change the direction. So where's the coast tracks? Oh, oops. Okay. Deselect. Rectangle select. Boom, boom. Alright, let's grab these. Alright. And so I think we do the other way around. To where this is 30. And then the other way is 15. And then the other way. So let's just get rid of these two. And then we just put these. And then you go 50. And then minus 25. That should work. What about you? Is the thing okay? Huh. What the heck? Why is the TIE fighter not moving? Let me look at script. That's strange. Everything is welded to that part. Let's get rid of that weld. Hold on. Let me just run. And then take this. Tie. Part. Go. Huh? Why is it not moving? That is so weird. Let me look at that. Let me find TIE Fighter. TIE Fighter. TIE parts. Anchored. Unanchored. That's so strange. I can guarantee you. Let me try this. The entire tie is going to go to it. That's so weird. Why is it not doing anything? Let me go to here. Does it do this in... It doesn't do this in the practice game. Yeah, it's fine in the practice game. Let me just grab this tie and we're gonna place in a new one. I don't know what happened to it. Delete. Paste. Where is it? Okay, there it is. Ah, no. It's unanchored. Why is it not moving? It can't be something anchored holding it down. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna try... Maybe that's just a studio thing. Let me look at studio. Yeah, the prism isn't moving. I think that's just a studio thing. If these work fine. Final ring's fine. All of these are fine. I'm just wondering why. I wish I could play it in Roblox, but I can't release this game yet. Oh, I do need to remove this. I need these spotlights. The spotlight's good. Spotlight's fine. That spotlight's fine. This spotlight's fine. Okay. These are the only ones I need. But I want to know what's wrong with these. Because everything should be just fine. And then, lo and behold, there's a problem. I can't, these things don't want to move. Is it because of the anchors? That might be the reason. Anchored. Remove the anchors. No, it's not that. That's so strange. Because why? everything is welded to it. Hold on. Weld. Let me look for TIE Fighter weld. TIE Fighter. Is it because of these? All these tiny little welds. That's causing the issue. It may be. We're just going to take all these welds. Except for weld constraints. Weld constraints are what I need. If I get rid of all of these, maybe. Check for any more welds. Okay, let's test it. Let's test it. Go ahead and test. Alright, let's see. There we go. Okay. We do need to get some adjusting to it. We do need to get adjusting to it. So in this direction, so let's just go ahead and grab these. And I'm going to test each and every one of their speeds. So this one. Honestly, it was very, very wobbly. I'm thinking we do like 25. And then we'll see. How does that look? Just run. TIE Fighter, TIE, Heart, Anchor, Unanchored. Oh yeah. I think we just need more. We need like a slight bit of speed on it. So we need to get the TIE parts and then go. Oh yeah. There it goes. Okay. Okay. That's much better. So we just need only a little bit. So, we just need, I'm gonna put 15 in here. So let's see how well that, hold on, so 20, so 30 is 5. Let's try that. Let's see how it looks. If it goes down well. If not, then. Okay. TIE. Parts. Unanchor. See how this looks. Oh yeah, that works. That works wonders. Awesome. So that's fixed. Alright, now it's time to fix Prism Tilt. I think we just need to get rid of the weld. There. Now we should test it to see if it's working. Okay. Oh yeah, now it's working. Okay, good. Good. Alright, now it's time to run button 2 from the beginning. Alright, so this is button 2. New semifinals. So let's just go ahead. Quintuple steps. Perfect. Nice. Working fine. Next, we have TIE Fighter. Oh, crap. Might have second thoughts on the let's just do nothing and we'll see how that looks. We're also gonna do nothing here. Nope. Nothing. We're gonna see how that feels. God, it feels like it's pushing you off. So you have to combat it. Let's do 35. Let's do 35. And then for this one, we're gonna do 55. Let's see if that's good. Because when you're standing on it, you want to be able to have, like, control. Oh, now that's too much. That's too much to the... You need to find that perfect sweet spot. So... I'm thinking 15. Yeah, let's do 15. Let's do 15. Nope. Alright. Oh yeah, 15 works. We're just gonna put half, I'm pretty sure. So this one, we're just gonna do 25. Okay, let's do that. And we'll see how it works. If it does work, awesome. If not, we'll keep messing with it. And yeah, that works. I'm just gonna have to move the thing, because you cannot use that. Move the truss. Okay. Alright, let's test it. Let's test all the obstacles in semifinals, and we'll see. Alright, so number 1, quintuple steps. Done. Alright, there's that completion. TIE Fighter. That was me being bad. I'm bad at the game. I know. Alright, let's just go back. Back up the TIE Fighter. Awesome. Alright. Prison tilt. Here we go. And then do. Good. And then we go here. Awesome. Alright, done. And now warp wall. Done. Alright. It's time for the salmon ladder. This salmon ladder looks more badass now. And done. Alright, jump for the lightning bolts. Yes. And then boom. Okay. Done. Done. Boom. Final ring, baby. Let's do this. There's one. And boom, there's 2. Absolute W's. All obstacles work in this. The new semifinals obstacles work. I'm so happy. Alright, so now what I do want to do... Now, one more thing. Before I am done for the stream today. The stream tonight. Is go over, find the buzzer. Semifinals buzzer. And we're gonna cut. put it into the workspace. Like, that's gonna be an epic ending to the semifinals. And just make the game better. Alright, and then we just move these up. Oh, how awesome. This is what happens when you let me cook. Woo! Oh, this looks awesome. I can't wait for the news to use this course. I'm honestly in love with it. It's so much better. It feels much better. It plays much better, and I enjoy this course way more than I did last season's course. I'm very proud of it. And so, yeah. I love it. I love this course. So, yeah. I'm gonna send a whole screenshot of the entire, or actually, let me just run it. This is your new semifinals course. New qualifiers and semifinals course. Oh my god. I love it. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me. This stream. I enjoyed it. I didn't expect to enjoy making this as much as I did, but like, oh my god. We've been streaming for 3 hours, and it honestly has been so fun. Just doing, like, creating. That's what I love about this. I love to put my ideas. I have a lot of ideas put in my mind. Oh, I'm not even showing the frickin' events arena. I was just busy looking at frickin' in the Discord. But yeah, that's it for me. I enjoyed this way more than I thought I would. But yeah, making everything better, making my game better, and just changing a few things, changing a lot of things that would make this course so much better in the future. This so much better is amazing. And I think that it goes for a lot of people. And these things will be play tested, and they will be play tested. I'm gonna make games to where my play testers can play. So I'm gonna make a separate like button testing game to where the testers can play the new game, the new obstacles and the new stuff, and they'll tell me if everything is good, and if tell me if the things are good and what to change and what not to change, and to what to change and stuff like that. That to make it. But overall, I'm in love with this season already. I'm in love with this. I think I will do some fixing on like cameras and stuff off camera, but for now I think I'm in love with this. I love this course, and I can't wait to use it. And so yeah, thank you so much for coming out. A lot of fun. I'll see you later. See ya, guys.